Hey everybody, today's going to be a quick tutorial on how to import data into RStudio and what you can do with that data once you get it in there. So what we're going to do, I have this sample data set here. I borrowed it from a data set called Animal Sleep Text. You can look up this highlighted portion here to see where I got it from. But pretty much it has species listed on the left, and it analyzes the body weight, brain weight, sleep, lifespan, and measures a danger index of some sort for each species. Um, so if you want to actually use the data in RStudio, you're going to have to save it as a special file called tab delimited text, or text file, and that can be in your format options here. You would save it. I have it on my desktop already. So then you would go into RStudio and you would click import dataset and then simply select the file to where you saved it, and it will appear on your source page here. What's nice about RStudio is that it already analyzed, it figured out that you have 53 observations, or species in this case, and the variables listed at the top. Um, so now, if you want the program to actually know that you want to use your data set, you have to tell it, because it's a computer. You gotta give it some commands. So we're gonna attach the data set here, attach, and you would put the name of the file you imported. In this case is workbook1. Make sure you're keen on capitalization. So now the program knows that we're going to be reading the data from the workbook1 file. Now some cool things you can do, you can write a quick summary of the data for body weight, and it will tell you the min, the first quartile, the median, the mean, the third quartile, and the max. Now if you want to calculate the interquartile range, look, you already got Q3 minus Q1. You're already on your way here. What I really like about this program is that you can calculate things so quickly. Same thing, if you wanted to do body weight, boom, you already have the mean. You don't have to add all these numbers up and divide by the total. It just takes forever. This is what's great about computers, right? In the real world too, you're going to have the data. It's going to be coming at you. You don't have to do all the math on a calculator. The computer is going to be your calculator. And this is an example or an intro of how computers will be, the calculator. So let's do the summary of the other stuff for fun. So we also got the summary of brain weight. So the lowest is 0.14, the max is 5,712. The mean is 307, median 17.5, and then you have your quartiles. Let's also do the other ones for fun. So the sleep, the lowest amount of sleep this one of the species gets is 2.6 hours. Say it's an hours. Maximum is 19.9. The average is 10.51, and then you got your quartile and your median. So let's do the summary of lifespan. How long do all these species live for? So the lowest is 2 years. The max is 100 years. Turtles get to be 100 years old. Okay, Finding Nemo, never mind. But, Crush, he's older than that. Never mind. So we got the first quartile and the third quartile and the mean. So the average is about 20 years. What about the danger index? So that appears to be on a scale of 1 to 5. Danger index. So lowest obviously is 1, the max obviously 5, but I guess we were mostly concerned with the quartiles and the mean. I guess the median too. So yeah, it's everything right here. So the average is 2.5 about, and you got your quartile ranges there too. Okay, so if you just wanted the mean, you could just type in mean of body weight or mean of sleep, Other things you can do, you can also, if you just wanted the median, you could type in the same thing, mean or median of brain weight. Boom, and it tells you. It's great. It's just awesome. Anyway, what's also really nice is standard deviation. So standard deviation is just SD, and then you put parentheses of whatever variable you want to look at. And the standard deviation for body weight is 970 about. The standard deviation for brain weight is about 1,000. The standard deviation for sleep is about 4.69. The standard deviation for lifespan, 18.89. And the standard deviation for danger index shouldn't be high. Yeah, whatever. I spelled it wrong. SD. Danger index. Boom. Okay, awesome. So besides just gathering numerical data, our program can also do histograms. So if you want to do histograms, You do hist, H-I-S-T, for histogram, and then you would put the name of your data set. This is a shortcut way. You put a $sign and then the title of whatever variable you want to do. So we'll do body weight. And it should produce, I forgot the one, workbook 1, $sign, and then the title. Boom, you got a histogram displayed here. Although the title and stuff is, not the way you'd want it, but at least you got to see what the data looks like. Let's try a histogram of brain weight 2. So workbook 1, $sign, brain weight. Boom, you got that. Histogram of, probably get a better one for sleep. Workbook 1, $sign, sleep. Yeah, that's a better histogram. There you go. So, and you can look at the frequencies here too. Obviously, that's what a histogram kind of shows. So let's just do the other ones for fun. Book, lifespan. Why am I? Workbook 1, dang it. Okay, hist, workbook 1, $sign, lifespan. There you go. That one's pretty cool too. And finally, we'll do danger index. Danger index. Boom. Awesome. So this was just a brief overview of stuff you can do. You can also do box plots. Yeah, just thought I'd give a brief tutorial on how to, use and gather information on your data in seconds rather than doing everything handwritten by ordering the numbers. And gosh, finding the median and ordering numbers is horrible, but and taking all that time to calculate the mean or the quartiles and the interquartile range, finding the max and min. It's just a lot of searching, a lot of room for error, especially human error. So the computer here is there to help you. So now what you can do with your statistics stuff is actually analyze the data. What can you conclude? What can you gather? Are there any correlations you can make? Stuff like that. So this program is very helpful, especially with data sets that are very large, and hope this will help you in your studies. This is a free program, by the way, called RStudio, just in case I didn't make that clear. So hope this helps, and happy